in high definition. This is 41 NBC News at Daybreak.
If your dining room is gathering dust, think about turning it into a more useful room and into a space that you love. In today's Ask Angie segment, we have some creative dining room ideas.
Dining rooms are formal by design, so that would make them perfect if you're looking for a place to put a home office. You could add a desk and a chair in the corner, and it will be perfect for being able to do work. If your dining room is open without doors, you might consider adding doors so that you can have some privacy while you are working.
Dining rooms make excellent playrooms for families with younger children. Start by adding a soft rug, some chests for toys, and some bookshelves filled with your kids' favorite books. Be sure that all the furniture is child-proof and attached to a wall to avoid any injuries.
If you're looking for some extra space for your hobbies, your dining room may be the solution. Whether you're doing crafting, music, or working out, it's an open space that works well. All you might want to consider is adding a little soundproofing.
If your dining room has a door, you can turn it into an extra bedroom or guest room. This is a great option for growing families who don't want to move or for people who host a lot. Talk to your contractor about ways you can make the space feel more like a standard bedroom.
If you have a larger family room and are in need of some extra space to congregate or to lounge, you might consider turning your dining room into a second living room. If it's toward the front of the house, it's a great place to entertain guests and be a more formal living room.
And do you have questions about your home projects? Tweet them using hashtag #AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.